Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar event directly from Google Chat. This is a super convenient feature that lets you schedule meetings and events without having to switch between different Google apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google account credentials if you haven't already. This gives you access to all your conversations and the ability to create calendar invites right from your chat interface. Once you're logged in and can see your main chat dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a list of all your direct messages and conversations. Go ahead and click on any one of your direct messages to open that conversation. This is the chat thread where you'll be creating and sharing your calendar event, so choose the person or group you want to invite to your event. With your conversation now open, look at the bottom of the chat window where you normally type your messages. You'll notice a plus icon next to the text input field. Click on this plus icon to reveal additional options and features you can use within the chat. This menu gives you access to various tools including file sharing, emoji reactions, and importantly, calendar integration. From the menu that appears after clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option that says Create Calendar Invite. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is designed to streamline your workflow by allowing you to schedule meetings without leaving your conversation, making it much faster to coordinate with your colleagues or friends. A calendar creation window will now pop up on your screen. Here you can select the date and time for your event. Choose the most convenient slot that works for your schedule and the person you're chatting with. You can adjust both the start and end times to ensure your event duration is exactly what you need. Once you've configured your date and time settings to your liking, look at the bottom of this calendar creation window. You'll see a button that says Save and Share. Click this button to finalize your calendar event. This action does two things simultaneously. It creates the event in your Google Calendar and immediately shares the invite with the person you're chatting with, notifying them about the scheduled meeting. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Calendar event directly from Google Chat, making scheduling faster and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.